This is 2148 Haaglund Road, and what we're looking at here is a map of the property. This is our kitchen, commercial kitchen with a commercial septic system. Our house here, and property looking to the east side. A little bush right beside the house. The lower garden looking towards the north, and that pile of dirt there is some nice garden ready stuff. Looking towards the north part of our property, a lot of mature trees. There's a little ephemeral stream that runs down the back, and we have another one which is even lower down on our property towards the north. This is going up towards the north part of our property, up a hill, and it's got really great exposure up top. And when the sun comes up, it comes like basically at eye level in the morning. This is looking towards the west, down towards the lake, towards the north, across Italy Sutherland Creek towards another hill back there, down towards the creek. This is up on the top of the hill also. You'll see property markers with orange and red that runs along the basically west or the east side of the property, and that's the long part of the property. The house from the lower garden, the kitchen from the lower garden, and the bottom garden again. This is the front of the house, and the kitchen with the cement pad in the front and the back. Underground electricity and phone with the blue line for the internet. The front of the kitchen, this is a load-bearing straw bale kitchen. That's the like basically a little chicken coop. Inside bathroom of the kitchen. The window from outside of the bathroom. This is a hot water heater with a pump and pressure tank. Automatic light on. Stainless steel sink in the kitchen with a grease trap underneath. This is the electrical wall. Walk-in cooler. Inside the walk-in cooler, electrical panel. This has well over 200 amps on it. Looking outside one of the kitchen windows towards the cement pad. Lots of lighting inside. Lighting up above. Ceiling fan. That has just 100 amps on it right there, that power cable. Hand washing sink. Window from the staircase looking out to the driveway. Upstairs window looking towards the, I guess the west side. Looking towards the east from the upstairs kitchen. Screen doors for the back of the kitchen going out to the shed. This is another shot of the front of the house. Two electrical meters, one for the kitchen, one for the house. The back corner of the house. This is another little basically house in the back. That's on a foundation. The entire house is insulated with blue foam, like 3 inches or 2.5. The back side of the house with almost like a walkout back on it where the porch is. This is where the spring is, that's capped. Another picture of the house at the very back. This is inside the well where this artesian spring is. The water goes down to the kitchen and gets pumped back up to this well and goes from here into the house. Picture from the back of the house. All the roofs around here have metal on them. Front of the Little house at the back. That'd make a good play zone for kids. This is the upper back garden with a big pile of soil. Back of the house. Upstairs in the very back house. We'll call that a little cabin or something. All the window there is shatterproof. Looking towards the east side of the property, towards the back. This is a little drawing my son made. This is where you keep a lot of the wood for the winter time. View of the cabin from the east. Another shot of the commercial kitchen. Front entrance of the house. Garden at the front of the house, just a little tiny thing there. Looking into the back of the house, there's another little sleeping quarters in the very back of the house. A couple of these windows pop open. Staircase up to the bedrooms. New water heater inside the house. This is a Pacific Energy stove. This keeps the house great. This is a little vent from upstairs to keep the air circulating. Some double pane windows, some single pane. This is electrical for the house. It's all been inspected. It's all good to go. That might be like a 50-60 amp service.